Hi everyone, welcome back to Kavitha's Sugar and Spice. Today we are going to make a chicken curry, a very quick and easy chicken curry. We are going to make it with limited ingredients. We are not going to use any coriander powder or spices which we normally use. So this is a very easy recipe. It will be helpful for bachelors or kids who are staying in the dorm, etc. So let's start cooking. First, let's marinate this chicken. That's 750 grams of chicken with 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, half a teaspoon of turmeric and half teaspoon of salt. Marinate it well and let's keep it aside for half an hour. While the chicken is getting marinated, we can slice our onions, place a pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil. You can use any oil. I prefer the taste of coconut oil, so I'm using that. Add some curry leaves and our sliced onions. That's 4 medium onions that I've sliced. The aroma of that coconut oil and curry leaves together, that's unbelievable. So mix it well. And let me add some salt to speed up the cooking of the onions. We can cover it and cook it for like 3 minutes. Let's check our onions. They're almost done. Look translucent. Now we are going to add our crushed ginger garlic into this. That's 2 tablespoons of garlic and 1 tablespoon of ginger crushed. You can either add crushed or paste, but I recommend not to add sliced one because that will change the taste of the curry. Mix it well and we can cook it for another 3 or 4 minutes until the raw smell goes. So now that is cooked. You don't want to burn it. At this point, we can add our Kashmiri chili. I'm adding 2 full teaspoons, heaped teaspoons. Give it a mix. We can add our chicken. We are going to cover and cook it for 5 minutes in a medium flame. We are not adding any water right now. Let's check our chicken. So that chili color or the masala color is got into the chicken. Give it a mix and let's add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. So one tip to make this make it easier, even more easier for you guys, is that I've used 750 grams of chicken here. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon each, 1 teaspoon of masala for each 250 grams of chicken. So that's basically 2 chili powder and 2 teaspoon chili powder and 1 teaspoon garam masala, which makes it 3. And now again I'm going to add 3 green chilies. So when you increase the quantity of chicken or decrease it, you can reduce the amount of masala and green chilies based on that. So that's kind of 1:1. Okay, so now we are going to add some boiled water. I always prefer adding boiled water into the chicken. I keep a kettle or a small vessel with water while I'm cooking. So add it little by little. Give it a good mix. add rest of the water. Some water is going to come from the chicken, so always remember that. This should be fine. Now we are going to cover it and cook it in a medium to low flame, not very low but medium to low flame. It's been 15 minutes. Our chicken looks perfect. Look at the amount of water that has come from this. So we need that water anyways because we need some gravy. So I'm going to add a teaspoon of coconut oil. Remember, we had used only 1 tablespoon of coconut oil initially. And let me add some chopped coriander leaves. The biggest difference from the usual chicken curry, if you have noticed in this one, is that we did not use any tomatoes. All we used was a little bit of lemon juice initially to marinate the chicken, and we did not use any coriander powder. So that is one big difference. So our chicken curry, instant chicken curry, is ready. You can check the salt and add if you need more. And let me transfer this into a serving dish. Our easy chicken curry is ready here. Try it and let me know your thoughts. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye-bye.